Hello everyone and welcome to Science, Knowledge, and Know-How. I am your host Will Boyd for the Homeschool Institute of Science. This week's course is The Final Frontier. This week we're taking an in-depth look at the history of space exploration. And we're going to start off taking a look at the past and studying the U.S. space exploration, as well as meeting some folks who you may not know. Yuri Gagarin from the USSR, who was the first man to take a space flight, who was aboard Sputnik when it headed up through the atmosphere. We're also going to look at what's happening now. We're going to go behind the scenes, if you will. We're going to get on board with the crew at the International Space Station and learn from folks from several different countries about what life is like in interstellar space and what simple tasks take a bit of creativity to get done aboard at the International Space Station. You'll also be getting a dose of science and seeing how the International Space Station works. You're going to get a historic perspective on science as well, and hopefully see a progression from the voyages like the Voyager and the Pioneer in the 60s and 70s up until now. And you'll also be looking at the Mars Curiosity, the rover that landed in 2012, watching that landing. And then we're going to look into the future a little bit and see what's coming up. And that includes a look at Neptune and Uranus. And this week's projects are fantastic as well. Please take a look. There's some great beginner projects. You're going to be making rockets of all kinds out of paper, out of pencils, out of vinegar and baking soda, and then even some more industrial strength rocket launchers as well. So dig in this week. Enjoy this week's course, The Final Frontier.